Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Pin and Go function in ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge for the spot cleaning. So actually the first thing you need to do is to tap this gear icon. Now scroll down to the Pin and Go function, and now here you need to tap somewhere on the map and tap Go.
Going to target.
I think this shouldn't fall off from my desk. And now we need to tap Spot Clean to clean. Switching clean mode will end the current clean. Okay.
Starting spot cleaning.
And now that's how it works. If you want to stop the spot cleaning, tap back to dock and return to dock. And that's how it works. Goodbye.